If you are a person who has received this kind of an error message telling you that your account is temporarily banned from WhatsApp, the video for today is going to be very interesting for you. I'm going to speak to you about how to remove temporary bans from a WhatsApp account and what you should be doing next so that your account wouldn't be getting this kind of a notification again in the future. Watch my video completely till the end. So if you are a person who is using WhatsApp the proper way, you haven't violated their terms of service or whatever it is, this is actually not fair, right? But as we all know, Meta has started using bots in their algorithm to detect spam and stuff like that. The WhatsApp community, at least, is safe, right? So it's a good thing. It's not a bad thing. But unfortunately, sometimes what happens is that even innocent people who do not do anything wrong may just face a problem like this. So the first thing is, if you get this kind of a notification from WhatsApp, it's not a problem. You should not worry too much about it because this is a temporary ban. It's not going to stay on your account forever. Just wait till this timer clocks out to 0 and then you'll be able to use your account again. Not a problem. But if you think it was sent to you in error, you haven't done anything wrong, you were just messaging your mom or your friends like normally, then what you could do is appeal to get your account unbanned quicker, because this timer is not fixed. Sometimes it may just be like for 2 minutes, sometimes it could be for 2 hours, sometimes it could be for 24 hours, sometimes it could be for sometimes it could be longer or whatever. There's no guarantee. You could go ahead and follow these steps to appeal. The first thing is you could do a Google search for WhatsApp help. Click on the first suggestion by Google, WhatsApp Help Center. Then you're going to be directed to this page on which the Help Center is going to give you an explanation about account bans. So you could just go ahead and go through this article. It's very interesting. You could understand how you could not get banned on WhatsApp and stuff like that. But if you want to appeal, there's a way to appeal from here. You could use this feedback box, as I have suggested in a lot of videos of mine. A feedback box is a direct communication with a real human at WhatsApp. So you could go ahead and just click no, select any answer out here, click on select, and then put in a message out here. So you could put in an appeal message, something like this. Hi team, my WhatsApp was banned for no reason. I know it's a temporary ban, but I need my account to be usable earlier than 24 hours. So depending on the clock that is on that ban, you could just put in your own time frame out here. If it is for like say 2 hours or 4 days or 5 days or 3 days, whatever it is, just mention you need to use your account before 3 days or 2 days or 5 days, whatever. Okay, I'm sure you get it. So that I can speak to my mom, who is an old person sick at home and I work abroad. So you're giving them a reason to actually help you out. Please could you give me a one-time exception and unban my account sooner. Regards, your name, put in your WhatsApp number and submit this. Since this is a temporary ban, you never know. The human on the other side at WhatsApp may just understand your feelings and may just go ahead and help you out. So you should receive an email communication from these guys, and then you could keep in touch with a rep and you could work with him or her to see if they could unban your account sooner. Apart from this, you could also try and send these guys an email to see if they could help you unban your account. So just do a Google search for Google Play or Play Store, click on the first suggestion, get onto this page and then do a search for WhatsApp. Then you click on WhatsApp Messenger, get onto their page with Google Play, scroll down to the right. Under app support, you're going to see an email, another email out here. So when you send an email across to these guys through this email address, it is mostly going to go to the developer team, and the developer team wouldn't want any kind of a negative feedback on their account out here with Google Play. So they're immediately going to go ahead and send you a response. How to ensure that you are not getting this kind of a notification again in the future? The number one rule to follow is to follow their guidelines. And I know there are a lot of terms and conditions for WhatsApp. You cannot go through each and everything. Do not go ahead and send bulk SMSs, or do not go ahead and send bulk pictures. We send these good morning messages to 50 or 60 people. Don't do that. The next thing to do to ensure that you don't get this error message again is to not use any modified apps like WhatsApp GB or GB WhatsApp or whatever there is. Another reason why you may just get a temporary ban is data scraping. So if you are a person who is into collection of data for different people, you do data scraping through WhatsApp, getting out phone numbers and email addresses of different people through WhatsApp, then if they detect it, your account is going to get banned temporarily, or sometimes it may just get permanently banned. Just use WhatsApp the proper way. You are never ever going to get banned. Not even a temporary ban is going to come to your account. If you like the video for today, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.